Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 8 and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and go to the second page, and for me it's located right here, screen recorder. The option may vary, it might be somewhere else, so you just need to look out for it right here, but from there you can tap on it. It will open up this little window right here which you can move around, and from here you can also go to settings, which I advise to do it at the start when you're doing this for the first time, and you can actually change a couple settings. So number one, the resolution at which you're recording. 1080p, I would say it's the best one, although I would go for 1080p by 1920, which is the resolution of basically majority of the monitors. So if you're watching the content on your computer, it will fill up the entire screen. You can also go a little bit higher to 4K if you want that. Keep in mind that recordings at 4K will take significantly more space, as though every basically other option if you crank it up. So from here we also have a bitrate which seems to be set to maximum. I would keep it at 24. Frame rate, 60 frames, I would say keep it at that. If you're struggling with space and you don't want the footage to take a lot of space, I would drop the resolution from 4K to 1080p, but I would most certainly not drop the frame rate. The 60 frames is, in my opinion, way better visual experience than the 30. But if you're struggling for space, you can drop it down. I would highly not advise on going anything below 24, honestly. If you go for 15, that is just going to be basically a slideshow. So yeah. Then you have video orientation. I would keep it at auto, so it will detect how the phone is being held and flip the footage accordingly. But if you're planning to, I don't know, record some games while laying in bed and have holding the phone in landscape mode, but because you'd be laying in bed, the phone would be like it is right now. I can set it to be locked to, for instance, landscape, so it doesn't flip around. And once you're done with setting this all up, you can just leave this place and start recording. And now whatever you will do will be recorded. So any movement along with your touch inputs, which are visible, this little dot under my finger, will be recorded. And once you're done, tap on the thing right here, stop, and that's it. Now this little overlay right here won't be visible in the footage, so you don't have to worry about that. And the footage itself can be found in your gallery. So let's go into here, allow collection, and we have screen recorder. There we go. Tap on it once more, and there we go. Oops. So you can see everything is recorded. Now it doesn't fill the screen right now. There we go. Now it's filling it up. But based on the resolution that I picked, it wasn't really able to fill it. So that is how you would use the screen recorder. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.